Hello everybody, it is Cooking with Caprice again, and today we are making some super advanced body fortress whey protein shake. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is you get your measuring cup and then you fill it up. It says your favorite beverage, and I prefer milk because it just tastes better. And so you put 6 to 8 ounces in of your favorite beverage. Okay. God, that's heavy. 6 to 8 ounces. So you know what? I'm gonna do 7. Count 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. And now we just pour in the milk slowly. Slowly. Bam! Now what we're gonna do is it says 1 heaping scoop of your delicious chocolate mixture. Look inside of it, see? It comes with a little scoop right here, as you can see inside there. And it's humongous, and as you can tell, I love it, because I've already eaten a lot of it. Bam. And now, we're just going to pour it in, like that. Like that. And you can add some ice if you feel like it. I'm going to add some ice after I'm done blending it a little bit, and then I'm going to taste it with the ice, because I never tried it with the ice. And so, I'm just going to try that. And remember, you don't want to get your milk all stale. So, put it in the refrigerator and put the lid on. You don't want salmonella. That's what salmons have, not us. Okay. Where's the lid? Okay, put the lid on, and you put it on the blender, and you blend it for 30 to 20 seconds. We'll be right back after this break, ladies and gentlemen.
Can you turn it up?
Welcome back. So I decided to add about 7.5 OZ cups of ice in there. That felt good, Now just put it on the high setting. Just for about until you don't hear that sound. And just videotape me. Okay? Sorry, I was thinking of something. Sorry. Oh well. Okay. When you're done with that, it should look a lot like this. Nice, creamy, kind of light brown mixture color. And if you are a big chocolate fan like me, I put Hershey's syrup in. I'm just going to blend that a little bit. That is done. Okay. And I'm just grab a cup. Like so. just gonna pour in gently. Just like. Just like that. And that is how you make a protein shake. Join me next time as I make some cinnamon rolls. Ta-ta!
You might not want to try this recipe. Even she hates it.
Nice.